So my name's Max with Make Money with Max Online once again here in Costa Rica. We arrived a couple days ago and we've been traveling. That's why you haven't seen me online. And but I do want to discuss a little bit of what you could do from home. When you can work at home, your numbers are coming in and you feel comfortable with just traveling with this whole ordeal going on. There's really no problem out here. So anyways, to get down to the point is that when you work from home, you can work from anywhere in the world. As long as you have internet, like myself right now. I'm sitting here, as you can see. I'll show you some of the surroundings. Beautiful Costa Rica, nice cool day. Just enjoying a little time free, a little time off. And I remember when I was young, I used to dream about traveling wherever I wanted to go and whatever I wanted to do with the family and just enjoy life. Enjoying life is about spending time with family. And of course, having the income to be able to do so is one of the major priorities in life too, so that you can provide when it's needed. So what I want to do today is just invite you to go down to my link down below. Click on that. Remember to subscribe down here, subscribe, ring the bell so we can send you notifications and continue to show you some more good information. Go to my channel, check it out. I have lots of information there, but I do have a free course that I'm offering you right now. When you register, you go through a 5-part series that I have already produced, ready to go for you to learn more about how to build funnels, what funnels are good for, how you get the right software in the right platforms, etc. So, sweet and short, friends, go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, sign up, give me a like and a share. Thank you.